All right, back at it, man. Happy Monday. Hope you guys are doing well. Cheers. I appreciate you all for tuning in to another Palantir update as well. Now, Palantir's up a good chunk on the day when earlier it was down. Same with the entire stock market. It was down earlier. Now it's back up. So, guys, we got to break it down. It's been a roller coaster ride all day today, and now Palantir is up around 1.6%, trading at $139.50 as the S&P 500's up 0.8%. Same with the Dow, and QQQ on the Russell pretty much. They're all up around a quarter or 0.75% to about 1% in the green. So let's do an update. Let's break down these charts, my thoughts, the whole 9 yards, guys. So hit the like button. Make sure to subscribe. Join my free email stock newsletter. Check out my Patreon for my portfolio updates. I actually just posted one earlier today. All those links are down below. And now let's dive into it. And by the way, my laptop is overheating right now, and quite frankly, it's just hot as heck in my office. My office is kind of in this upstairs corner part of the house where the sun's just nailing it all day, and the AC doesn't really get in this office too well. Might have to get one of those mobile units. Either way, so I'm sweating a bit here just to preface the video with this. And my laptop's overheating, which part of the reason of that is I need a new laptop. It's been 5 years with this thing, making videos like a madman every day. But either way, hopefully we can get through this. We can get through this video without it messing up on me here. But Palantir, again, we're at 139, kind of consolidating at this point. If I pull up this 5-day, 5-minute, if it even lets me. Geez, guys, they're overheating right now. This is pretty bad, but we're gonna get through it. Man, the Thinkorswim's not even working. This is unbelievable. But okay, here we go. It's gonna go. All right. If we look at this 5-day, 5-minute, we're just simply consolidating, right, on this on this time frame. And by the way, there's a heat wave. It's not usually this high. It's because it's 102 degrees outside in New Jersey right now. It's unbelievable. But we're noticing consolidation, which is good, really good for the bulls. Not all the time are we going to see just up and away, green, massive moves. That's not going to be the case, especially when we saw a big move already. Now we're just simply kind of consolidating, right? So you guys remember this ascending triangle that we called out about a week, 2 weeks ago. That played out. We broke out of $135 per share. You guys can see right here. We got to about 145. So we broke out. A lot of momentum came in. All-time highs were hit. And now, really, over the last couple of days, we've just been consolidating above that point, kind of getting ready for the next move, right? Which in this case, the bulls would obviously like it to go higher, right? And, if we pull up this 4-hour time frame and zoom in a little bit, how bullish does this look? It looks as bullish as ever. We have that triangle that's playing out, this cup and handle I called out about a month ago, that's now playing out. And at this point, man, it's like a wait and approach game with Palantir. And with everything going on right now with geopolitical tensions, Iran, the U.S., everything going on there, this is bringing up Palantir stock along with a bunch of stocks in the defense space. And the fact that Palantir, essentially they're a software AI company, defense company, the fact that they could be used in war, right, in these kind of situations as a software play, as an AI player, the stock's going up. And of course, the entire market's going up. It's not just Palantir, but if you notice this morning, I'm pretty sure we were even higher, right? Yeah, we hit like 143 almost this morning. Then we dumped off. Now we're slightly under 140. So this company, man, even though, nobody wants war, geopolitical tension, nobody wants that. But Palantir, in a crazy way, could benefit from this. I don't want war. I don't want terrible things to happen. But the reality is, they're going to happen whether you want them to or not. And there are going to be companies that benefit from, these events, and Palantir is probably going to be one of them. We don't know for sure, nothing's guaranteed. We don't know what companies are going to do what, but yeah, I mean, they're well positioned, and there's a reason why the stock is going higher. So guys, I'm long, I'm holding on tight. I think we're going higher in the short term. I don't know how much higher. Again, I'm not Nostradamus here. I don't have a crystal ball, but I think we're going higher. I think we're going to bounce off 140 and maybe go to all-time highs, maybe even this week. I could be wrong. That could be bold, but that's kind of what I'm thinking right now with PLTR. And look at these other stocks go, man. There's a lot of stocks moving today. And by the way, hit that like button. Make sure to subscribe. Run up all the likes. And make sure to, get this channel to, 55K subs. Can we do it, guys? Let's do it. Let me know in the comments, if we can get there or if you're subscribed or not. But let me go through some other names quickly here. Circle is up 10%. Circle Internet Group, guys, $25 in the green so far today, which is just insane as we're now 15 minutes away from close. And earlier we were up like 15%, something insane in that ballpark. On CRCL, man, I am sweating like an unbelievable pig right now in this friggin' office. I got to get an AC unit. This is insane. I don't even know if I can make videos up here in this kind of heat during the summer, guys. It's almost like torture. It's unbelievable. But Circle is up a good amount. Tesla, of course, we covered that earlier with the robo-taxi soft launch, if you will, in what's it called? Austin. This one's moving up 8.2%. Big move for Tesla. And this cup and handle, guys, I'm eyeing it up like a hawk right now on this 4-hour time frame. You guys can see here we have the cup, the clear handle, right? And if this ends up playing out, ultimately we could be going towards 365, 375, or if it really plays out, we could be filling that gap up to about 420, 425, which is where the stock was, a couple months ago. But that is the next major gap to fill here on Tesla. So you guys got to watch that. What else is moving today quickly? CrowdStrike's moving a good chunk, which has been moving. CrowdStrike's up over 3%, trading at 490 right now. Let's see. Meta's up 2%. Which is looking pretty good here on the charts. I'm not sure if you guys noticed, but AMD had a nice pop earlier, over 130. Now it's down a little bit, but still, it's up on the day, but it's down from where it was earlier. But yeah, I mean, that's kind of a snapshot of what's going on right now, guys. Stocks are, the indexes are up across the board. What more could you ask for? So that's it. I'm going to wrap up the video here. I got to, get a fan in here or something. I am dying, guys. The laptop's glitching on me. It might be time to make that investment, get a new laptop. But, yeah, with that being said, cheers. I'll catch you all in the next video. Subscribe, like. Make sure to join my Patreon for my portfolio updates. All that's down below. I'll see you guys later.